what's up? Welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing kind of a little Valentine's Day date night tutorial look. So this is actually the makeup look that I created for it. So I'm just going to be talking about some of the products and stuff that I use and showing you guys the kind of look that I would do for an event like this. I can't believe Valentine's Day is almost here. I feel like the year is already flying by. It's just crazy. But anyways, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then go ahead and keep watching. Alright guys, so I went ahead and took the e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams primer. It's one of my favorites. Recently I tested it out in my last video and it's amazing. So I just put that all over my face to start. So next I went in with my e.l.f. blending sponge from the Cookies and Dreams collection and my Pretty Fresh tinted moisturizer from ColourPop, and I went ahead and applied that all over the face. I love this tinted moisturizer because you can build it up to the amount of coverage you want, and it just feels really comfortable and nice. Next, I went in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I love this stuff, one of my favorite concealers out there. So I went ahead and applied that on any blemishes and under the eyes. I also used this as my eye primer today. Then I went in with the Coty Airspun powder, which is just a translucent powder, just to make sure that everything was set so my makeup stays in place all day. Next, I went in with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer and just bronze up the skin to give it a nice little bit of warmth. I was looking a little ghostly with my last couple products, so I needed some bronzer. Then I went in with my Burt's Bees Toasted Cinnamon Blush, and I kind of just put this on the apples of my cheeks and then also on my nose. I love a ton of blush. I love that look, so I always go ham with it. Then I went in with a setting spray from BH Cosmetics. I love this because it takes away any powderiness that you might have on the skin, and it just preps your skin for the highlight as well. I think it really amplifies it and makes it just look seamless. I also wanted to mention I did my brows off camera with my e.l.f. brow pomade. I've done this a million times in my videos, so I thought I'd skip over it today. So it's time to go in with a palette. Today I'm going to be using this Lorac Noir Pro palette. I got this for Christmas, so we're going to give it a try. It has beautiful neutral colors, so let me just show you guys a little overview of what this palette looks like. Super, super gorgeous. The first thing I'm going to start off with is a light brown transition shade. You always want to start lighter before you go full on darker because, you know, that'll help with any mistakes or anything like that. So always start lighter. We're going to go in with just a simple light brown. Use any palette. I'm just going to be doing a simple eye look. So we're going to go in with the light brown right here, and I'm just going to buff that on my crease just to give us a little bit of color. So just blend that out everywhere here. that we have a simple light brown all over the crease, I am going to go in with a little bit of a darker shade just to kind of add to the outer corner here to give your eye a little bit more depth. I'm going to take this dark brown and start adding that towards the outer edge of my eye. You can use a little bit of a smaller brush. That's what I'm going to do, and then use the thicker blending end to just make sure everything is seamless and not splotchy or anything. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so now that we have that outer crease all deepened up, we're going to go in with a shimmer shade for the lid. I always think that it's just such a classic, pretty look. You can do like any neutral shade that you like on the lid, but there's so many options, especially with this palette here. There are lots of beautiful shimmer shades. So let me see. And with this shade right here, it's like a classic champagne. And I'm just going to use my finger and just pop that on my lid here wherever I have lightness already, where I haven't put any dark. I'm just going to blend that right on there, and I think it'll look really, really cute. This is a really simple but easy look, and you can always make it more dramatic if you want more darkness. You know, you can add more darkness to it. You can make it a little smokier or even a little lighter. So now that we have a shimmer shade on the lid, that's when I really like to go in with a super light shade. You can use whatever like highlight you've used on your face. I always like to highlight my cheekbones, so you can use that as an inner corner highlight, or you can even use like the lightest shade in your palette. Take this little, it's almost like a white shade, but it's shimmery, and I'm going to take that on my finger and just place it on the inner corner of my eye. I think placing a shimmer on the inner corner really helps open your eyes up and just makes everything look bright and really pretty. So now that we have that done, it's time to do the lower lash line. You can stop here and just do the top if you like that look, but I like to give it a little more depth and put some shadow under my eye. I think it just really gives it a more completed look. So I'm going to go back into my palette here, and I'm going to go in with a brown. I don't want to go too deep, so I think I'm going to do this third one here, and we're just going to take that on a little brush and run that along the lower lash line. So if you want to, at this point you can just do mascara and leave your eyes like this, or if you want to go all out, then you can do like eyeliner, mascara, and I like to go in with some lashes. So I like to do the full glam thing. For my liner, I just went in with the LA Girl Jet Setter liner. You guys know I love this stuff. I use it in like every video. And then for my mascara, I'm going to be using my Lancome Bonjour Big Mascara. I love this stuff. I just have a little travel one right now. And then I'm going to be going in with my Eyewear London, my Vegas Nay lashes. These ones are in the style Platinum Princess. I actually picked these up at TJ Maxx, so yeah. I don't know if they still sell this style. I used to love all the Vegas Nay lashes. That was actually, I think, like the first style of lashes that I started using when I was doing makeup. Here I am back with the lashes. I just love lashes. I think they just complete the makeup look and give you that little extra something, you know. So I think these are really pretty. Now for lips, I actually have two options. So if you don't want to do anything too crazy, I would say go for a neutral lip. So I'll show you one of my favorite lip combos for that. But if you want to spice things up, hey, it is Valentine's Day, you might as well, you know, do a little something extra. Then I say go for a nice red lip. So I'm gonna show you what both would look like with this look, so you guys can decide what you would like to do. My favorite neutral lip combo, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay lip liner, and then I'm going to go in with one of the Milani matte lipsticks in Tease. I think they're called Color Fetish matte lipsticks. I did a whole video on these before, so I'm going to go in with these two. Very neutral glam, but still very beautiful. So if you guys like the nude lip, definitely go for that. It's a good, you know, it matches everything, goes with everything. But I think a nice statement red is always fun to do for a change. So I'm going to show you guys what I like to do for, or one of my favorite red lipsticks. I don't know if they sell this one anymore, but this is the MAC Queen of Cumbia. It is the Selena MAC red lipstick, and I'm going to be using the same lip liner. So let me go ahead and put on the red lip. That way you guys can see what red would look like with this. Here it is with the red lipstick. I think it looks so gorgeous. I love how this look turned out. I think it is super pretty. It's kind of giving me like Snow White vibes for some reason, but I'm here for it. I really like it. So let me know if you guys create a look something like this, or what your go-to like Valentine's date look would be. This is probably something that I would do for something like that. But yeah, I just wanted to get on here and do a like easy quick little tutorial and show you guys what I would do for a Valentine's date glam. That's pretty much all for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. It would mean so much to me. I think we're almost to 700 subscribers, which is so exciting. So thank you everyone, and I will see you guys in my next one.